Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. This is the breakfast right here. I have made it with tofu and moong dal with bunch of vegetables. So let's get started and let's get into the recipe. I'll be making protein rich meal, or you can use it as breakfast or snack. So this is moong dal. This is split moong dal. 1 cup of moong dal have like 25 grams of protein, and this is easy to digest and keeps you full for a long time. So let's make moong dal chila with high protein tofu. Alright, so I have taken 1 cup of moong dal and washed it 3 times and soaked it overnight, and this looks like this. You don't have to soak it overnight, but at the minimum you can do for 2 hours. So I'm going to grind this with couple more ingredients in it. First, I have this organic tofu. Level is firm. It has 70 calories and 0 sugar. Okay, so I have taken almost 1/4 slab of tofu. Just going to crumble it and then we are going to grind this together. Okay, so we have crumbled tofu and 3 to 4 green chilies and couple pieces of ginger. Let's grind this together and make a smooth batter. And look at this beautiful smooth paste. So just like pouring kind of consistency. So I'm going to add some flavoring in it. Let's get there. Alright, so this is our batter ready. And now some vegetables here. So I have grated carrot, grated lauki, which is bottle gourd, and some ginger. You can also add zucchini or a finely chopped onion, bell peppers, a tomato, anything, any vegetable is fine. So let's mix this well and start cooking. And I have a couple of spices here. I have black pepper, roasted cumin powder, and some salt to taste. Okay, so I've added half a teaspoon of oil. Alright, so you see that the side is cooked and it's separating out of the pan, so it's going to flip it. Alright, so let's check that side is done. Oh, beautiful, nice and crispy and protein rich breakfast or meal. You can serve it with yogurt or chutney or any sauce. And I'm serving with a couple of ketchups here and sauces. So I hope you like this tofu recipe and healthy breakfast recipe or healthy meal, protein rich recipe. Thank you for watching. I hope you do give it a try and give us a feedback. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.